So I'm talking about the tech job market again. So the tech job market is competitive, no doubt about that. But here's the crazy part. Even though companies have thousands of applicants applying to their vacancies, these companies still struggle to find the right employees. Why? Because these companies are asking for way too much. They demand the employees to have a lot of skills. If you're a student or a recent graduate or a career switcher trying to enter tech, you have probably realized that a degree alone does not guarantee a job. Knowing how to code is not enough like previous. So companies now expect you to be a full stack developer, a DevOps engineer, a cloud specialist, and even an AI expert before you even land your very first job. So this has made it very difficult for the company, both for applicants to get a job and companies trying to find the right employees. For example, here is what tech job applicants demand now. Now, if you want to be a front-end developer, you need to have very good familiarity with software packages for UI and UX, plus technical knowledge like you need to have very good knowledge of HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React, AngularJS, Vue.js, all of them together. Now, backend development, like you need to have, if you want to be a backend developer, you need to have very good knowledge of Node.js, ASP.NET, Flask, Django, Python, Java, a lot of skills. Plus, you need to have very good knowledge of databases like SQL, NoSQL, Redis, Firebase, MongoDB, and even cloud computing like Apache Spark, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud certifications. Now, DevOps, or you need to have very good knowledge of DevOps as well. Docker, like Kubernetes, Terraform, Jenkins, and of course, very good knowledge of machine learning, AI, because they apparently are very important as well. Now, good knowledge of machine learning, deep learning concepts, preferably technologies such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, neural network, and GenAI concepts, and many more. So this has made it very intense. Now, on the top of all these technical skills, you need to have very good soft skills as well. Soft skills like you need to have familiarity with project management software like Jira or Trello or and even Slack, even for very entry-level jobs. Now, let's be real. This is overwhelming. If you want to be a software developer today, it's no longer about knowing how to code. You need to master front-end, back-end, databases, DevOps, cloud platforms. You need to have very good knowledge of AI and basically become a one-person tech company. So quite intense, I personally believe. Now, so here's the paradox. Tech companies have open positions, but they set the bar so high that very few people qualify. Instead of hiring and training talent, they just keep searching for the unicorn candidates. Now, who can do it all? I mean, candidates who can do all of this together, and they will be likely hired by these companies. So what's the solution? Should universities change their approach? Should companies stop expecting entry-level employees to be senior-level experts? Or should job seekers, job applicants, take it upon themselves to constantly upskill, to learn all this tech for the purpose of getting a job in tech? Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced a struggle while applying for tech jobs? Do you think companies expect too much? Take the time to drop a comment and let's have a discussion.